Nandito kami sa McDonald's. Araw! Sorry guys, sorry. Dito kami sa McDonald's.
Can I get a fillet of fish meal, please? Just a regular. But can I get the coffee frappe for the drink, please?
Coffee frappe?
Yep.
Yeah, anything else?
I'll get an apple pie. And can I get a frozen raspberry Fanta, please?
In ice cream?
What size is that?
Make it large.
The ice cream?
Raspberry Fanta, frozen?
Yep.
Yeah, anything else?
I'll get 2 soft serves, please.
Vanilla?
Yes, please.
Yeah, all good, just grab the food.
Thanks.
Kumakain na naman kami. Kasi maghapon kami nagda-drive. Ang dami ng inspection ng asawa ko. So, we are very much all day in the road, in the run. So, kakain muna kami. With my husband, little inspection today. So, we are in McDonald's drive-thru in where we are, honey? In Mossville. Mossville on drive-thru McDonald's. Thank you.